Welcome to Growing Hunter Beef, our regional beef forum from Hunter Local Land Services and Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm with Kylie Schuller from Andrews Meats. Not only has Kylie given a great presentation today, she's also supplied us with some sensational quality brisket for lunch. Tell us a little bit about the beef and why you're here.
Really here today just to connect with the producers to, I guess thank them for all of the work that they do, and just to talk about really eating quality in beyond the farm gate, in how restaurants and chefs, consumers perceive the eating quality of product and what that means to production and how they should move forward with their product. The product we're trying here today is, grain-fed Angus marble score 2 plus briskets. So hopefully the eating experience that they're having out of that is really high, and if this was a restaurant, they'd come back again, because that's really what we find on the food service thing, is that delivery of a consistent product that performs every day of the year is really the most important thing to the chef, and therefore to the end user that's consuming that product.
And when we're talking about eating quality, we're not just talking about taking out that Scotch fillet, we're talking about across the beast.
Yeah, absolutely. So, most carcasses you get 20 to 30 cuts out of, especially when you're getting into this higher end quality product. So we've got to find a home for all of that product. So sure, we've got to get the value out of the Scotch fillet and the eye fillet as well, but there's plenty of top sides that need to be sold as well. So it's finding out, and particularly with MSA and the data that goes into that whole system, is what is the best way to use this product, and how do we fit that to a customer that's going to appreciate that. We work with a variety of customers, from high end right through to pubs, clubs and catering companies, so that allows us to put those products and those different cuts into end users that are going to be able to get the most value out of them.
Producers obviously want to grow better beef. They obviously want to build a better product, but I guess from the other point of view, it's that link of how do you get there?
Data and feedback, I really think, is probably the best feedback, the best advice I can give to producers, is to, if you can't improve what you don't measure. If you don't know how you're performing now, then you don't know how to get better. There's plenty of supply chains and programs now that you can align yourself with that will give you that feedback and that will help you find ways to improve what you're doing, and then you can really aim for that to hit those goals.
So before it's in the growing, it's got to be in the smarter stuff up front.
Yeah, absolutely. It's having all the information available so that you know where you're going, that you are producing a product for a specific market, that you know where you're heading, that you're not just producing products just for the sake of it, that you've got an end target market designed for that.
I can say from being out there and eating lunch that it is truly sensational. So thank you for what you've brought to the Hunter today. We're very thrilled to have you.
My pleasure.
Thank you.